Welcome to our channel, where today we'll walk you through the simple steps to log into your FreshBooks account like a pro. Welcome to our channel, where today we'll walk you through the simple steps to log into your FreshBooks account like a pro. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official FreshBooks website by typing www.freshbooks.com in the address bar. Once the home page loads, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click this to proceed to the Login page. In the Login section, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Start by typing your registered email address in the first field. Make sure the email you enter is the one linked to your FreshBooks account to avoid any login issues. Next, enter your password carefully in the password field. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check for any uppercase or lowercase letters and avoid typos. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link just below the password entry box and follow the instructions to reset it via your email. After filling in your login credentials, you can optionally select the Remember Me checkbox if you are using a personal device and want faster access next time. Finally, click the Sign In button to access your dashboard. Upon successful login, you will be directed to your FreshBooks dashboard where you can manage invoices, track expenses, and perform other accounting tasks easily. For added security, if your account has two-factor authentication enabled, you will be asked to enter a verification code sent to your mobile device or email. Enter the code promptly to complete the login process. If you encounter any issues during login, such as error messages or trouble loading the page, try clearing your browser cache or switching to a different browser. Ensuring your internet connection is stable also helps. Following these simple steps will ensure that you can quickly and securely log into your FreshBooks account every time without hassle. Don't forget to keep your login details confidential and log out from shared devices to protect your account safety. Remember, fresh bookkeeping starts with seamless access. Now that you know how to log in, you're ready to make the most of FreshBooks' powerful features. Before you go, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to keep up with more helpful tutorials and tips to boost your productivity.